maybe going to respond to a few ex posts and then going to the gym. Okay. So Monday Zoom meeting, fashion vibes, business on top, jeans out of frame. Do you like the way this blazer is cut in the back and two vents? Yeah, nice blazer, Jennifer. I'm thinking about basically what I'm thinking about using this blazer, if this could be nice. So you see, so it's arriving there. Obviously, it depends on. Oh, you don't see it. Okay, it's arriving there. So obviously, depends on like the people, but it's nice sitting. Yeah, nice blazer. Nice blazer, I like that. But I don't really love blazers, okay? But it's a nice one though. So nice blazer. Well cut and seems nice when seated. However, personally, not in love of blazers. Okay, but you see, so yeah, nice. Mon plus grand kiff avec l'IA, c'est de pouvoir passer à l'action dans la minute. What? Il a eu 1000 € de CA. Attendez. C'est possible ça? Ok, je pense que c'est. Alors, attendez. C'est quoi son site? Pixbid.lol. Ok. Je pense que c'est possible. Alors, vous voyez, ça, c'est. Vous voyez, les gens, ça fait partie de la main du marché. Ok. Donc, en gros, vous voyez, la main du marché. Alors, je vais pas expliquer tout au sujet de la main du marché, d'accord? Mais c'est possible. En gros, la main du marché, vous voyez, c'est bah, potentiellement la main du marché connaît le projet que vous voulez faire, d'accord? Et donc si le projet est intéressant, la main du marché va utiliser votre projet, d'accord? Donc c'est possible, ok? Voilà. Euh, donc c'est largement possible, c'est largement possible. Euh, Par contre, en gros, ce qu'il disait là, c'est que en 2 heures, en 2 heures, c'est bizarre. Euh, Après, pourquoi pas en fait. S'il avait prévu, vous voyez, avant. S'il avait prévu avant, c'est possible. En vrai. Donc c'est possible. C'est largement possible. Yeah, donc cool. En vrai, très cool, Julien. Euh, Bah, c'est cool que la main du marché t'aide. C'est très très cool. Euh, I hate shy people. It's a cute trait if you're young, but if you're over 20 and still shy, just grow up. Yeah, shyness not is not really good. So not going to like because I don't like how he's talking, but shyness is not really good. Just like express yourself. Okay. But you see, it shows some like it shows something, and for me that counts. Okay, so let me add, but it shows something. That is good. So it's not good overall, but it shows something that's good. Okay? Your sensibility. It's much harder to write an essay that has to cover a topic completely. In a normal essay, you just do a core sample through some interesting topic and talk about what you notice onward. But if an essay has to be complete, you sweat over what you might miss. So it's much harder to write an essay that has to cover a topic completely. In a normal essay, you just do a core sample through some interesting topic and talk. Yes. So that's, you see, that's what I do all the time. Okay. So hopefully you got that. Hopefully you got that. I hope so. Yeah. Wait. I'm going to do the integrity sequence of X because I said I was going to do that and I forgot. So okay. Here you go. So yeah, it's much harder to write an essay that has to cover a topic completely. Yeah, so if an essay has to be complete, you sweat over what you might miss. Yes, yes, I agree with that. Um, um, I agree with that as usual. Honestly, Paul Graham, like one of the best thinker, honestly. So I always like agree a lot with what he's saying. I agree with that as usual. Um, um, you you inspired me a lot, Paul. So almost always on point. Okay. So we need a slang for human written code. What? So job hunting at 52 is not the same as job hunting at 22. It's weird. It's weird because it's so both both are hard, you see. I mean, it was really easy for me, but then I got fucked up during the job, so and then it was really going down from there. Basically, they did that on purpose. They organized against me on purpose. Okay. So give me a random piece of advice. Be passionate. This is really sad when psychology professors are asked whether they put the truth before social equity concerns. 66. You see, it's women who are against the truth. Yeah, not good. Women have to be for truth. AI is going to be way more decentralized than most people think. Yeah, going to push for decentralization. So one part of the answer, for example, on the platform, is going to be like on the platforms groups. This is part of the answer. Obviously, like, it's a very, very simple answer, but it's just for you to get it, okay? So yeah, I agree with that, Craig. So, hopefully, married maids seem interested in everyone except their own wife. Why does this happen? No. No, not at all. Not at all. Not at all. You just have examples of bad men. Voilà. The white people I see in America are so different than white people I see in Canada, and I can't figure out why. The government. The government and the government. Okay. People, les gens en toute sincérité, vous considérez ça comme du surpoids. A bit, but not a lot. Like a bit, like I think maybe like for a bit, you lose 4 kilos and it's like good. Okay. Yeah, so obviously they made her hips bigger than what they could be. So obviously if she lose 4-5 kilos, her hips are going to be the thing that's going to lose weight. Okay. Girl bosses are the most oppressed group in America right now. I don't know. Honestly, don't want to speak about what I don't know. I'm literally so lonely. No one texts or call me. I sit in a room all day. office work, gym, my thoughts. I legit don't have even one single friend that even asked me to hang out or an actual friend, not one. So, not necessarily because of you. Not necessarily because of you. Communities around you could organize. Okay? This is what happened to me, so... Second day in Shanghai, shopping, dining, view. Wow, that's so honestly, China is becoming impressive, and that's why I'm doing all of this. You see, to like, so I don't know about Shanghai. I've never been, so don't wanna. But these photos are nice though. Who would have thought I'd come to like fitness so much? Nice. So you see, like, I think this is around perfect. You see? So a bit of grease, like visible abs. I really like that. You see? So nice, nice Rafaela. Amazing body. That's hard to get a good body, so always pretend you don't have money. No. No, do not pretend. Just be humble about some of the money, but don't pretend. Pourquoi payer un photographe quand on a un super photomaton au Leclerc? Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. Photo incroyable. Photo incroyable. J'aime beaucoup tes poses. Alors je sais pas si incroyable ça se conjugue. Ouais. Bon. Incroyable c'est un variable ou pas? Bon, je vais vérifier. Les incroyables. Ouais, c'est pas un variable. Ok, donc c'est bon. J'aime beaucoup tes poses. Allez, petit... Je pense... les petites mèches ça ajoute un truc. Petites mèches, et en vrai, tu poses bien. Photo incroyable, j'aime beaucoup tes poses. Les petites mèches. Les petites mèches, ouais. Ça ajoute un petit truc, j'aime bien. Voilà, ok. Honnêtement, incroyable Coralie, en vrai, t'as quand même un talent. Ok, tu fais du dessin aussi. Waouh. Bah écoute, ouais, bah tu vois, là, honnêtement, c'est cool. C'est cool que t'aies réussi à avoir pas mal d'abonnés. Parce que en vrai, si c'est toi, attends, c'est vraiment toi ou pas? Ouais, j'ai l'impression que tu crées et tout. Ok. En vrai, très cool Coralie, je suis. Euh, j'ai 23 ans, pourquoi j'ai jamais entendu parler de cette bombe? Euh, parce que la France refuse d'éduquer sa jeunesse et ses crimes coloniaux. Euh, Il y a 58 ans jour pour jour, la France larguait Canopu, sa première bombe H en Polynésie française, a été 170 fois plus puissante. Ah ouais. Ok. Je veux pas parler de ça. Study for 20 years, work for 30 years, free for 15 years, die. No. No, guys. Study what you like, work on what you like. Ok. How would you feel if you walked up to vote in November and ICE officers demanded you to show ID first? So, please accept a lot of different IDs. Okay? You know. Accept a lot of different IDs. People could prove their identities in a lot of ways. Some people are prevented from having some IDs. Okay? While they are citizen. I understand. So now I understand everything. This is what they do to people. Okay? The motherfuckers. So some people are prevented from having some IDs, you know. Did you know higher IQ causes less perceived intelligence by observers? Okay. Yeah, I think that's true. Unfortunately. Selon la psychologie, ta capacité à couper les ponts avec les gens et à t'isoler n'est pas une qualité dont tu devrais être fier. C'est une réaction traumatique. Ok. That's amazing. That's amazing. Wow. That's amazing. I guess she is a fan of stories. So like very nice gift. Very nice gift. So that's like it's, you see, taking the tradition of offering flowers and basically making it books. Amazing. That's wow. That's, if this is real, this is amazing. So America is cooked. 2 teachers in China teach static electricity. Yeah, that's nice. Do boys cry if they lose their girl? Depends on each situation, you see. Depends. Form a view, turn it into an artifact or experiment. There's no general thing about that, so this is too random. Form a view, turn it into an artifact or experiment, put it in contact with reality, read the results without self-deception, revise and run the game. Yeah, I think that's good advice. Obviously, be aware though, because you see, I'm forming a good vision, and people organizing against me. So here we go. So be aware about like the reality that could be put in front of you could not be the true reality. Okay? This is true, guys. Okay? So, 10 points if you see the identification problem. Some evidence shows mortality falls in health system adopting AI fastest. Okay, so going to the gym and coming back. Okay? Okay, nice. So 10 points if you see the identification problem. Identification of what? So unfortunately, we are half of the year of 2026 first. And identification problem, what do they mean? So you have to know exactly the way the AI is working. This is very important. So going to get on Blue Sky also. The morning gym people and the after 5 p.m. gym people are two completely type of PC. Ouais, yes. Okay. So basically, let's go on Blue Sky also. And Threads. Blue Sky and Threads. Guys, I'm not going to play like the I'm in my group, not going with other group game. Okay, I'm not going to play that. This is advice that's good for everyone, and so I'm going to do that. Okay. Honestly, I'm not going to play the same game as a lot of people, like the bad game. Basically, choose your username. Let's go with Mind of Gauthier. Mind of Gauthier. So help people know you're not a bot. Yes. So let's take a picture. Let's upload that. You see, export. Choose an interest. Tech, science, software dev, books, video game, music, food, yes. Smart politics, yes. TV. I used to watch a lot of TV, but you see. Okay, not going to go through all of that. Tech news maybe. Okay, so let's follow that for now. Oh yeah, didn't check the sound on X. Okay. Okay. So it's almost the same app. Anyway. Yes, yeah. It's crazy how the app is similar. So there's not so much people on Blue Sky. So X is it seems like the app is a bit better. How universities should prepare founder. So I'm going to I'm going to go to the gym. Okay? Roof, hook. Immunology, tissue, and tissue stem cell biology. Wow. Currently, solid tumor oncology. Um, Antigen-presenting cells donate telomeres at the immunological synapse. What? Wait. Yeah, so I'm going to talk about this. Somebody liked this, that's nice. I meant to say woman. So um okay. Okay. So do you prefer me to like just be like wow, amazing? Why I don't think so? You see, I don't understand your thinking. So honestly, and 5 likes, 0 like for me. Honestly, is this a crazy world, guys? Is this a fucking crazy world? Is this real or not? seems like English above physics, history above chemistry, total humanities. Fucking hell. Physics solo, what the fuck? People who don't drink and smoke, how do you manage stress? Just work on something you're passionate. I don't care. I love looking malnourished and dying. I mean, look, Mina, if I mean, this was just an advice. You see, if I mean, you do you. You see, so okay, okay, that's cool. Okay, that's cool. Just wanted you to be aware. But yeah, keep the confidence. Keep the confidence and and positivity. So obviously she has not responded by this. This was 2 hours ago. But it's like I'm responding. So obviously, if you look at that, you would think I'm crazy. So let me making a post. So I know that this post was made before. So apparently this post was made before, but I am responding like this was made after. This is crazy, but like this was made after. Just think, guys. So I don't know if this is understandable, but here you go. So honestly, this is funny, but anyway. If you're reading this, so Brooke Leblanc, wow. So I don't know if you're. Is this a real Leblanc family? I don't think so, but. So. Oh. So I don't know. Look at my video. So if like if they see it, look at my video on Leblanc. So I don't know if links are authorized, but look at my video on Leblanc in France. So so yeah, that's nice. Have a great week too. So people who keep tweeting with 0 likes fear no one. Yeah, kind of. She works here and Zendaya makes movies. Okay, because of how beautiful she is. Um, so it's true. So Zendaya, honestly, I think, like, honest. I'm always going to be honest. Okay. Um, so I did not really like analyze your acting or things like that. Like did not focus on you. You see for a while, but it's true that you're not necessarily the like the best looking actor right now. Um, Maybe it's also because like you have a great acting. I did not analyze the acting, so I don't know. And also did not watch a lot of movies. I watched the Dune movie, where you're in it, I think. Um, the Dune movie was nice. Honestly, from what I can remember, a nice acting. But you see, it's true. Did you analyze this? So you see, it's true that I think some people that are maybe so obviously there's not like only like face which counts. You see, there's a lot of things that go into a movie and into acting. You see, um, but like we have to be honest about this. Um, uh, there are more beautiful people, but I think it's not only about this. You see, obviously it's not only about this, but that's what she means here. Okay. So you see, if you basically she's working on a real thing. You see, she's working on something that basically you have a face that's like objectively less beautiful than others, but it's not necessarily a problem. Like you can differentiate yourself by a greater acting. You see, um, or a greater like you see there could be other things you could that could differentiate you, like maybe greater like um, beauty mask, I don't know how you call that, but like greater skincare. You see, like you could maybe work with that. You see, and in a good way, making your face a lot better. um, and like you could maybe give ideas to like the people that are making your face, and also like using a greater acting sets. Okay, I'm always going to be honest. I really think that objectively you have like a bit like a face that's a bit under, maybe for some people. Okay, honestly. So basically I'm working on what like what does she base this thing on. Okay, and so we have to be neutral about some of the things, so you have to understand why people are criticizing you. Okay, so it's true that you so basically so you see that's what I don't like in basically English culture, is that sometimes they put people in so much of a bubble that like they are not thinking objectively anymore. You see, so I want you to like an objective view. Obviously, like so, a lot of girls have like a prettier face, but you can you can differentiate you on a lot of things. Okay, so honestly, acting is not only about that. You see, it's about how you can make the good features also, like it's how you can make the good features of your face like pop out, you see, and also it's how you can act, you see, how you can control your face to make really nice faces, how um, how you can move to like make your face and your body more appealing, you see. So it's not only about the face, okay. So you see, always going to be completely neutral with you, okay. And I think that's how people should be, okay. um, so you go, that's why she says that. And you see, I'm not going to like. I'm not going to like because I don't think this is a good way to talk to people. Okay? So you see. Um, and now, so you might say, Gauthier, so you're saying that English people are putting people in bubbles and you do not like the other side. Yes, because they're doing like the opposite. And so I don't like. You see, I'm more about the neutral way. Okay? So here you go. So you have to understand basically where each thing comes from. Okay?